that's the thing I blame Ivany for. How the fuck you're going to take up a woman who breed 7 times and Lego and put them 7 different places to come watch your baby? So that's where you wrong for Ivany. If you go take up a woman who breed 7 times and walk and left the put in 7 places. You want a placeholder. That's the thing. You could never take up cheese where walk and breed so much place and no pitney for sure saying take care of. But you take up cheese if you go take care of your pitney. Cheese should done cost more casa Ivany. Come on, know all the rats you go take up scandal and crocus bag if you go open up your good clean rubbish bin. Let's talk. Them the rubbish blood clot bin there, Ivany must not come uptown. Because one thing I want you to understand, Ivany, let me show you this. This is why my spirit take Ivany. And I'm going to tell you something today. And this is the only reason why I help Ivany. And this is why I like Ivany. You see, in him levels to this blood clot. Yeah, you see 2 paper them? This is Ivany. This is cheese. You see why me say Ivany? There's a difference. Me na blood clot part with nobody way under the level here. We no want move. This bitch here, nah move from here. This girl, we always go. This a dirty warrior nah move. She's stagnant mama. And that's what I'm trying to say. So Ivany, I'm gonna have a better opportunity for she and for herself. Nasty cheese I walk a sell pussy and I fuck down the whole of New York and I sell with him steel front, with him Batman hole. And with all that behavior. And come and cheese. Me see say one big ugly blood clot one will look like shark when he munchy. Over them a walk and bring them people before them go look beginning at the end. 2025 cheese, the greatest Obia man of all time. Obia man say him a get 2025, not to the end. For them lock up your blood clot and desanctify your blood clot and deport your nasty blood clot. But first you go spend time in a prison. So we just want you to know, Mrs. Cheese, that you shall do your great prison time and shall get private deported. By now our next blood clot here. And that's a fact. Take off my head. If that not happen. Take all my crown to blood clot. Take it. Take it. I want ring so to no mama blood clot. Remember anything me talk my bad with you? Bad so. Mercy! I don't know if I want to know already when me talk my mouth no drop on ground, you just catch bitch. The ugly looking Momo looking one now. You Miss Merkel bitch. I only want you to do something for me. Drink a jelly please with cool breeze. That's all I want you to do for me. Any day I can see you, I drink a jelly with a cool breeze. That's the time. I fuck you, bitch. Drink a jelly with a cool breeze, cause that's your code. That's me put on for you. That's your code, Mrs. Momo. Drink a jelly with a cool breeze. What that mean? No, I have nothing more to tell you. Because anytime you want, I can drink a jelly with a cool breeze. I want to close spin you. Now, not more for you. You say, you know it. You say you're growing now. Me say I don't like it. Me decide to play it by your book.